guys. Today I have a client Ford F350 truck, and I'm going to be doing a video on an all-purpose cleaner or just an interior cleaner in general. Today we have a head-to-head battle with this Koch Chemie Green Star and Adams Total Interior Cleaner. I'm going to be showing you guys the differences. Not that you're going to see much, but I'm going to do one half the dash with Koch Chemie and the other half the dash with Total Interior Cleaner from Adams. Just right away off the rip, the only really difference I can give you instantly is the fact that this Total Interior Cleaner is going to have more of a scent to it. So when you're cleaning, it's going to give you like a more clean, like smells good. This is their blueberry, I believe the blueberry smell. And then Green Star doesn't really have any smell, it's just kind of your natural cleaner. There's no scent to it. So whatever you prefer right off the rip, that is kind of just the main differences right away before even putting the chemicals inside the truck. But let's jump into it. I'm gonna do passenger side with Koch Chemie Green Star, and I'm gonna do the driver's side with Total Interior from Adams. Let's get to it. All right, so first off, as you guys can see, here's the rundown of the passenger side. I'll zoom in for you. It is extremely dusty. You can see all that dirt and stuff. So we are going to use the Koch Chemie Green Star on this side first, and then we're going to see how that cleans up, and then we'll switch to the driver's side. All right, so as you guys can see, obviously it was so dirty that it's going to look really nice and clean. But essentially what I did is just use Koch Chemie in a bottle, sprayed it, wiped it down with a nice soft tip brush, soft bristle brush, and then just spread it around. Got the chemical kind of into this hard plastic, essentially just wiped it down. Other than that, yeah, we're gonna jump over to the driver's side now. We're gonna use Adams Total Interior Cleaner. That one has the smell, so right now there's no smell to this one, which is nice. So if you prefer no smell, or your client prefers no smell, that's kind of the way to go for this one. But now we're gonna jump over to the driver's side, Blueberry Total Adams Interior Cleaner. Let's get to it. All right, so now jumping over to the driver's side, guys, I'm gonna zoom in for you. You can see it's literally the identical to the passenger side. This truck hasn't been cleaned in a while, and it's more of a work truck, so there's the dirt and accumulation on that side, and let's jump into it with Adams Total Interior Cleaner. Now with this one, guys, you can use your soft tip bristle brush if you want, or what I do like to use sometimes is Adams Edgeless Utility Microfiber Towel. The only reason I like it is because it's that woven microfiber towel, so it's more of a scrub pad as well, rather than just a microfiber like plush towel. So it actually works as a scrubber as well, and to dry up your surfaces and all that stuff. You can find these on Adam's website. I really do like these. I've got probably 8 or 9 of them, but for this demonstration purpose, I'll still use the soft tip bristle just so that way it's a fair comparison between the two to see which one reacts better. But like I said, now we have Adams here, and we're gonna apply that on. Adams, their product does not foam up like Green Star, so you're not going to see that foaming action compared to Green Star, but what you could do is just spray it into your towel and then essentially just wipe it up. And this acts as a scrubbing pad, which is super nice. So you can kind of get a really good clean on it. You'll see a little bit of dust and dirt still sitting on top. That's all right, because I'll come back with the vacuum and I'll suck it all up once the stuff dries up, so it won't even be there. But I'll have to go back through and vacuum, so don't judge on that. But they're essentially, that's Adams. I'll zoom in for you guys. There's just the dust and stuff up top in this general area sitting there, but I'll get that vacuumed up and no problem. But there's really the main difference. All right, so there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There is the Koch Chemie Green Star and Total Adams Interior Cleaner. Like I said, the really big noticeable difference, you're gonna get some foaming action with the Green Star. So when you do use your brush, it's gonna foam so you can actually see the area you're working on, and it kind of works it in. And then you're gonna have your Total Adams, this has no scent. Adams Total Interior Cleaner, this one's gonna have a scent, depending on which one you pick. They got like cedarwood, blueberry, a couple other scents on their website that you can go look at. 2 different types of applications. You can do this into a microfiber edgeless utility towel, like I was showing you guys. This one you can do more into a brush, it works a little bit better. I'll give you guys one last kind of final sweep once I get the entire dash completely done, and then I'll show you guys one last product that I do like to use after I'm finished cleaning the entire top, just to kind of give it that shine and pop. And it's also a sun protected UV chemical, so it protects against the sun from fading out your dash. I will show you guys once I get that finished up. All right, like I said, guys, I promise you, I'm gonna show you guys what I do for the very last thing. I love this stuff. This is Adam's Interior Detailer. So essentially, you can use this if you're just doing like a maintenance clean. If you keep your car pretty clean, you know, you could use this once a week. All you do is just put on a little pad, microfiber pad that you have of yours, spray it on, and just kind of wipe your dash down. It kind of brings that glossiness back, kind of brings it back to life. And it's just something you don't need to use. You don't have to physically clean your dash first, do all the pre-steps. You can simply just throw this on a pad, wipe it down, and call it good. I'll show you guys what this does, and then that'll be the end of the video. All right, so simply turn your nozzle on, take your pad, go like that, and all you do, come up here, just wipe this down, keep the pad, come all the way across. Essentially, kind of just, well, we're inside, so it's gonna be hard to see, but once you go outside, you'll really be able to tell the difference. You don't need to do too much, but for this example, I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as possible. It doesn't look like I'm doing much, but trust me, once you're outside in the sun and when it starts to kind of shine, you'll see a big difference. Now all you do, take your towel, just kind of go over it, just like that, and you're done. Easy. But overall, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be sure to make some more videos for you guys coming up soon. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I make a new video. Other than that, see you guys in the next one.